Hello there everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Rojo Fusanabe, but you can call me Rojo because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation topic is about frogs. So the fire detail, let's get started. Frogs live in water and land. They usually found in many parts of world. Frog has four life stages. First stage, egg. Second, tablet. Third, froglet, and last adult frog. They usually eat insect, worms, and other animals. They live in pool, river, forest, and green field or garden. Many frogs live in about 5 into 15 years, depending the species they are. Importance of frog helps us in three ways. First ways, they control the insect population. Second, they help other animals, and last, they help scientists to study them. And in conclusion, frog is important animals in nature. They keep the nature healthy and bright. Well, this is all about my presentation. Hope you like my presentation. Next time I'll be back with another wow presentation. Till the tata for now everyone.